Hi, everybody. 3 News senior meteorologist Matt Wentz here with a check of your weather, and I appreciate you joining us as always here on our YouTube channel on this Tuesday afternoon. We've got another weather impact alert coming our way. This will kick in Wednesday night and then really ramp up on Thursday, and it's for some strong wind thrown into the mix on top of the snow that we've gotten, and more snow set to fall. This is with a powerful Alberta Clipper system coming our way. So let's get you there. We'll take you through your National News Time hour by hour forecast. Lake snow coming to an end. We've got a mix of clouds and sun, kind of a quiet afternoon and evening. Overnight tonight will be quiet as well as we have increasing clouds out ahead of that Clipper system. Winds will start to pick up tonight as well. You'll probably notice that out the door tomorrow morning with some cool wind chills sitting in the teens tomorrow morning. We'll start dry. I take you up to noon tomorrow. We're still dry. The wind really starting to pick up out of the southwest. We'll warm into the 30s as it looks right now. And then tomorrow afternoon, this is when the influence of that Clipper system will start to affect the area. We'll likely see a couple bursts of snow, and then they'll come to an end before snow becomes a little bit more prevalent tomorrow evening. This is when our weather impact alerts start to kick in as well. This will bring bursts of snow to the area, may mix with rain in spots initially. Otherwise, it just looks like big wet snowflakes tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. And then this little boundary you see right here, this will be the Arctic front that moves through. And with Arctic fronts, we tend to get kind of a convective line or almost like a line of thunderstorms in the summertime, except it's snow and it's a burst of snow, and you get strong winds within this. It'll put down a coating. You'll have brief, almost blizzard-like conditions if this develops. And this would move through 11 o'clock midnight in terms of timing with this model run tomorrow night. And then after that, temperatures plummet. We go down into the teens for temps Thursday morning out the door. We'll likely have a coating of snow. The wind will be gusting over 40 at times. It looks kind of messy around here Thursday morning, despite the fact there's not going to be a ton of snow left over on radar. And then as we go throughout the day Thursday, the wind continues. We'll have gusts continue over 40 at times, especially near the lakeshore. Look at the wind chill values near 0 as we go throughout the day. And we're going to develop a pretty stout lake effect band or multiple bands, bringing, yes, lake effect snow back to the snow belt. And with that, we're going to have a lot of wind this time. So it looks even worse in terms of some of those conditions in some of these snow bands. Everyone will get a coating of snow with this system, but in terms of the lake effect, this is the latest model run on how much snow we're expecting. Don't look at exact numbers. We're going to look at trends with this, and you can see areas of Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga, Ashtabula counties all potentially picking up half a foot, another foot, maybe a little bit more than that of snowfall, and that's lake effect snow again on Thursday. But we're throwing in a 45-mile-per-hour wind on top of that. So it's going to be nasty at times Thursday afternoon. This powerful system will eventually head on out. The good news about this, it's quick moving, and the pattern's not going to stay cold after this. We're going to start to moderate things as we go into your weekend. May have another Clipper system diving south with some snow. A lot of other models don't have that, so we're going to keep us dry for now. And then next week, we flip that pattern around. The cold air is going to dive into the center half of the country in the west. That'll bring the snow to the Great Plains and the Rockies once again. We'll stay on the warmer side, at least temporarily next week, with some rain in the forecast. The problem with that, we're going to throw rain on top of our 60 inches of snow out in Saybrook, our 50 and 40-inch totals out in Ashtabula and Lake counties. We may have some flooding problems out east as long as we're throwing rain on top of it, which it looks to be the case right now. Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast, your weather impact alerts Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night into Thursday. That's the thing we need to focus on for now. And then on to the weekend, we'll dry things up as it looks with some warmer conditions. 40s. Boy, that sounds great this time of year on Sunday into next week with some rain. We've got your next update on the TV side of things coming your way at 4 o'clock. Enjoy your Tuesday, everybody. We'll see you then.